If you've been researching knee pain treatments, you've probably run into the alphabet soup: PRP, BMAC, SVF, and now PRASAD. What do all these actually do? Today, I'll clear the confusion. I'll explain these three major orthobiologic approaches using one simple analogy: repairing a damaged house, leaking roof, and weakened walls. You need to fix it. Each treatment, PRP, bone marrow, and PRASAD, tries to repair this house, but in very different ways. PRP, the supervisors with energy drinks. Let's start with PRP. Think of PRP as sending supervisors to the construction site. They shout instructions: pass this wall, reinforce that beam, and they carry powerful energy drinks, your growth factors. But here is the limitation: PRP does not bring new workers. It only motivates the tired workers already inside your knee. So PRP works best for minor structural damage, but it struggles when the house is more worn. Next, we have BMAC, bone marrow aspirate concentrate. This is like hiring general laborers. We take stem cells from a hip bone and bring them to the knee. These are real workers who can help rebuild, but there are challenges. Getting them is painful. We have a drill into your pelvic bone. As we age, the number and quality of these workers in our bone marrow drops sharply. So although BMAC brings new workers, you may sometimes get a skeleton crew. And then there is PRASAD, my advanced regenerative protocol here in the Madras Joint Rejuvenation Centre. I'll keep this simple today because I have a full video coming up very soon. PRASAD uses your body's own biological resources more efficiently. It brings in a stronger workforce guided by better biological signals without the pain of drilling into bone. It is not just one injection, it is a structured regenerative framework. And I will explain that entire method step by step in the dedicated PRASAD video coming up soon. Watch out for that. So that's the big picture. PRP motivates the workers already inside your knee. BMAC brings in new workers, but the harvest can be painful and limited with age. PRASAD, coming up with a full explainer video, combines a stronger workforce with better healing commands. If you want to know whether you are a candidate for these treatments, leave a comment or visit us at the Madras Joint Rejuvenation Centre and subscribe so you don't miss the PRASAD deep dive video. I am Dr. A.K. Venkatachalam at the Madras Joint Rejuvenation Centre.